Hello students, I am going to discuss about the hydrogen. First is the occurrence of hydrogen. Hydrogen occurs in two forms. First is the native state or free state. Hydrogen occurs in native state or free state in diatomic form, means hydrogen in the form of H2. H2 is its free state, and second occurrence of hydrogen is in the combined state. That means hydrogen is combined with the other elements like oxygen, chlorine, nitrogen, carbon, sulfur. Next is the discovery of hydrogen. Hydrogen is first discovered in 1766 by Henry Cavendish. During the burning of hydrogen with oxygen to produce water. After that, Lavoisier named this gas hydrogen. Here, because hydro means water and gen is for the producer, means it is a water producer gas. By the help of reaction, we can explain that hydrogen plus oxygen combine to form water. So this gas is named as the hydrogen because hydro means water and gen is the producer. Gen means the producer. So it is a water producer gas. Next is the preparation of hydrogen. First preparation is done by the reaction of water with the metals. When water reacted with the metal, hydrogen gas is evolved. For example, sodium is reacted with the water, it will produce sodium hydroxide and hydrogen gas. Same with the potassium and calcium. The reactivity of sodium, potassium and calcium is very high, so they react with the water at room temperature and form the basic hydroxides. All the three these are more reactive metals. So they will react with the cold water also, and they produce the hydrogen gas. The reaction is highly exothermic, so there is chances to explosion, or in all the three cases hydrogen can catch the fire. Sometimes hydrogen catches fire, but it is not possible with the calcium. Only potassium and sodium, only for the potassium, and in the case of sodium and potassium sometimes hydrogen will catches the fire. If we go down in the reactivity series of the metal, the magnesium is less reactive than these above three metals, so magnesium react with the boiling water and produce magnesium oxide and hydrogen gas. In case of zinc and aluminium, as the reactivity decreases, zinc reacted with the steam of water and produced zinc oxide and hydrogen gas, and aluminium also reacted with the steam because the reactivity of zinc and aluminium is lower than the above metal, so the temperature of water will be raised and for the production of hydrogen gas. Now if we will discuss about the iron, iron is the less reactive metal, so it do not reacted with the steam only. So in this case, iron should be red hot and then it reacted with the steam. It will produce the iron oxide and hydrogen gas. If we go down in the reactivity series, copper, mercury, silver, gold and platinum, these are less reactive metal. They do not react the water or even steam to produce the hydrogen gas. There is no reaction occurs. Second method of preparation is the reaction of acids, only dilute acids reacted with the metals. When the metals reacted with the dilute acids like zinc, when it reacted with the dilute sulfuric acid, it will produce salt and hydrogen gas. Salt is zinc sulfate and hydrogen gas evolved. If we will take another acid like the zinc reacted with the dilute hydrochloric acid, it will produce the zinc chloride and hydrogen gas. If we will take another example like aluminium, when aluminium reacted with the dilute sulfuric acid, it will produce aluminium sulfate and hydrogen gas, and it also reacts with the another acid like dilute HCl. It will produce the aluminium chloride and hydrogen gas. In this case, we have taken the example of dilute sulfuric acid and dilute HCl, but one important point to be noted that dilute HNO3 is not produce hydrogen gas with the metals because it is strong oxidizing agent. So it will convert hydrogen gas into water. But here two exceptions are there. Exceptions are magnesium and manganese. Both the metals reacts with the water, reacts with the dilute H2HNO3 nitric acid and produce hydrogen gas. These are the exceptions. Only these two metals are reacted with the dilute HNO3 and they will produce the hydrogen gas.